I'm making red bean paste to put inside our Jian. So I have to cook these till they're soft, which will take a little while. Low heat. All right, so my red beans cooked and they got nice and soft, and then I let them sit for a little bit because I wasn't going to be able to keep close tabs on them. I didn't want them to burn. So they're pretty soft, which is good, and I am going to finish them off, which is going to involve pureeing them. I'm going to try using my immersion blender first and see if that works. If it doesn't work, I'll throw them in the regular blender. And then we'll be adding some sugar. So my rock sugar is all dissolved and we're thickening up. I'm just keeping it at a low, medium temperature actually. So I want to try to get some of this water out. I know some people are like, well, why don't you strain the water out before you smash them? But there are two reasons why you want to leave extra water and have to cook it out. The first is it's easier to smash them in a blender or with an immersion blender if you've got that water to help things go. Kind of lubricates things. And then the other is that you actually end up with a better flavor if you don't strain out the water, if you cook it down. So that's what we're doing. Carefully, not to burn.